Hey guys, I'm Toby from Shiels. It gives me great pleasure to introduce you to another absolutely awesome watch today. I'm going to unbox this little baby here, which is the SEIKO limited edition SNE566P, which is an absolutely amazing watch. Bang. There we go. So this one comes with an absolutely awesome dial. You can see it's like a metallic coffee color, and the rose gold in the middle here, flanked by stainless steel. It's actually a really heavy watch. That bezel, it really does show a diving watch. If you have a look carefully, it's quite an impressive piece. And it's got the recessed pusher, which is much more resistant to knocks and scratches. It's got a screw down crown. And that's essential for a 200-meter water-resistant watch. I mean, this really is a professional sports diving watch. There are only 1,500 units of this one worldwide, so it's a really rare and special piece. It's water-resistant to 200 meters, so completely fine for diving. Its glass type is Hardalex crystal. The case diameter is actually 43.5 centimeters. I'll show you what that looks like on. Quite a perfect size. It's a bit larger than quite a large diving watch, so it's a bit on the large size. Normally a watch like this is 42 millimeter, so this one's a little bit larger. The case thickness as well is actually quite a normal size. It's 12 millimeters thick. Completely stainless steel bracelet, and one-way rotating bezel, which is indicative of the fact that it is a professional diving watch. It's got a 10-month power reserve because this one is actually a solar-powered watch. And that's another advantage with an automatic or solar-powered watch. When it comes to a diving watch, to have a battery replaced is actually quite costly. You need to get a pressure test and have all those seals replaced quite often. So the fact that you don't need to do that with this watch, you never need to replace a battery, is actually a really, really big advantage from a financial point of view, but also from a technical point of view. It's better to not be messing with opening the back of this watch, which is one thing you'll never need to do. It's got luminous markers, and it's very, very clear. You could be able to see that underwater, no problem. And so this limited edition watch is a very special piece, and we've got it available at the moment.